Hello teacher. You can use the Schedule Send feature on Gmail to compose emails at a convenient time and schedule them to be sent later. Step 1. Click on the Compose button in your Gmail account. Step 2. Type the recipient's list and subject matter. Step 3. Format the main body of your email. Step 4. Once you are formatting the email, click on the down arrow near Send. Step 5. Click on Schedule Email. Select the timings when you want to send the mail. Now your mail is scheduled. It will automatically be sent to the recipients at the scheduled time. This feature can be particularly useful for teachers who want to send emails at a specific time, such as reminders about assignments, upcoming tests, or class cancellations. For more such tech tips from Interscore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.